Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au with your weekly Wednesday special offered online or over the counter at our Brisbane and Melbourne stores. Here it comes into shot. You are looking at the wonderful, beautiful Ainslie half-ounce gold bar. Now, I say it with a question mark because is it a bar or is it maybe a button? Some people call it that. I actually had someone this morning refer to it as a pebble. I think that's kind of cool as well. But look, whatever you call it, it is half an ounce of pure gold. Of course, on this side right here, half an ounce and 9999 to signify the purity of the gold. And on this side, the wonderful Ainslie logo. I really like the sort of simple and elegant nature of the Ainslie logo, and it particularly looks very well framed in the gold bar button pebble. So here is the deal. Normally we sell these in multiple pricing tiers. What I mean by that is if you were to buy 1 to 9, you'd get it for the regular sort of singular price. If you were to buy 10 to 49, you get it for a discount off per bar. And then if you're really game and you want to buy 50 plus, then you get an even extra discount off that. So for 24 hours only until 1 p.m. Australian Eastern Time tomorrow, you can get any quantity for the 50 plus price. So I'll put a link below to the product page in the info section of the YouTube page and as part of the pinned comment to get some of these. We have a bunch in stock, so head over right now, again for the 50 plus discounted price, again for 24 hours only until 1 p.m. tomorrow. The half ounce Ainslie Gold Bar Button Pebble. Do you call it something different? Post a comment below. We'd like to hear from you. As always, we want you to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for choosing Ainslie.